And my brother is here, and we're gonna do this video called Awkward Screams. Trust me, it's gonna be really awkward. Roman, you start first. Do an awkward scream. My turn. My turn. Your turn, Roman. Not the same one. Here, let me do one. Wait, it's not over yet. Okay, your turn. That's not a scream. That's not a scream. That's not a scream. Okay. This is my cat scream.
I'm doing my cat scream.
That's not a cat scream. That's a mad cat scream.
What? No, it's not.
Well, it could be a cat scream. I'm not sure. Oh well.
Right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm from Dust, and then I'm a cutie mock. Where the hiding is? Right here. My name.
I'm a
Remember
cat.
that.
I'm a cat. I'm a black cat. Yeah, I'm a cat wearing a
I
sweatshirt.
am a slut.
Okay, can we just keep on doing the awkward screams? Do the awkward screams now.
My turn?
Yeah.
Oh
Oh my gosh, what the heck? Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, your turn. Roman, why'd you take that off?
I wanted to.
Roman, you know that's not yours, right?
Yeah, I know.
Then don't take it off, because now Dad has to buy me a new one. You know that?
Okay.
Most of all, it's not funny.
Awkward screams right now.